So a customer wanted to book, but they didn't like the baby blue. They didn't like the logo. And it's like, what do? Do you go spend thousands of dollars and buy another 360 photo booth? No. You gotta find a creative way to switch it up. So what do? Do we spray paint it? No, we don't wanna spray paint it. We wanna peel this off? No, because this is actually a really cool color. A lot of people don't care. So I took my ass to what's the name of the place? I think Hobby Lobby. And I bought this vinyl. It's removable. It's black. Let's go and see how this works out for me, okay? So let's get started. Really good. My nephew walked in while I was doing this and he said, "What are you doing?" I said, "Covering up my logo." I said, "Why are you doing that?" I told him because the client didn't like the color of the logo. And he said, "Well, screw that client, deal, you're your own boss." I said, yeah, I get what you're saying, bro, but it doesn't work that way. You see, I quit my last job and I said, fuck you to my old boss. But now I have hundreds of bosses. Every client is my boss. So sometimes you're gonna come across clients that are very selective and you just have to get creative and work with them because they are the ones that are helping you grow in the business. They're the ones giving you the opportunity. So make the best of it. Well, there you have it. Flat black photo booth, baby. And it took me like, what, 40 minutes? First time I ever do this, but I'm sure they're gonna be super happy now.